Peri Toons.
Friends, it's me, the Peri. Are you ready to learn what animals eat? Can you stand up? Can you stretch? Can you wiggle? Great! Let's dance and guess together. Dance, dance, dance with me. What do animals eat? Let's see. Stomp your feet and clap to the beat. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap. Let's learn all the foods they eat. Here comes a cow. Can you say moo? Moo. What do cows eat? Grass, yes, they eat grass. Now hop like a rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. What do rabbits eat? Carrots, yes, they eat carrots. Swing your arms like a monkey. Ooh, ah, ah. Do monkeys eat bananas? Yes, they eat bananas. Now walk like a big elephant. Boom, boom, boom. Do elephants eat leaves? Yes, they eat leaves. Roar like a lion. Do lions eat meat? Yes, they eat meat. Now stretch tall like a giraffe. Do giraffes eat leaves? Yes, they eat leaves. Fope like a clap. Quack, quack, quack. Do ducks eat seeds? Yes, they eat seeds. Now sit like a panda munching. Do pandas eat bamboo? Yes, they eat bamboo. Dance, 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 dance with me. Now we know what animals eat. Stomp your feet and clap to the beat. Stomp, stomp, clap, clap. Learning is fun.
Thanks for watching! Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out!